Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
All right, so we're looking at a new book here. Habits of a Successful Beginning Band Musician. And I'm skipping the first few pages because it's a lot of rhythm and notation and that, which is important, but not necessarily trombone-ish. So I'm looking at page 3, and it says new note F, first position. And they show us a whole note, 4 beats, 1, 2, here I go. And then we move on to song number 2, still an F, and they show us the whole note, and then 4 quarter rests, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 quarter notes, which you have to tongue. You're blowing this long. Letting the air blow through as you're going 2, 2, 2, 2. And so here's number 2. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that leads us down to number 3, our new note, E flat in third position. 1, 2, 3, pretty much even with the bell. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1. Okay, and number 4, still E flats. We're working on whole notes, 4 beats, quarter rests, quarter notes, each 1 beat long, and half notes, 2 beats each at the end. And now number 5, which is going to be Fs and E flats only. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2. And so now we have a new note, D, in fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we have a whole note, 4 quarter rests, 4 quarter notes, a whole rest, 2 half notes, quarter, 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 quarter rest, a whole note, and we go on to 7, which is going to be the end of page 3 of this book. And here we go, here 6, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you are a student working on this, the 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm counting, you don't have to worry about so much. But it is something to keep in mind. And here's number 7. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and make sure when you play that last pitch that you're 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way through.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.